Hey, cadet! Yes, I'm talking to you! Lock it up and listen up! This is Drill Sergeant Hardcore. I'm here to tell you that if you are a cadet in any program, you should pack your duffel bag and head on over to the 4-day cadet staff ride in Washington, D.C. this October. That's the cadet staff ride put together by the highly motivated folks at Extreme Military Challenge. You will get to see our nation's capital, including places like the White House, the World War II Memorial, the Capitol, and Arlington National Cemetery. And if you register by the deadline, you could get to see the Pentagon. That's where all the big-time military honchos hang out. We will also explore the National Museum of the Marine Corps in Quantico, Virginia, home to a bunch of my Devil Dog brothers and sisters. Hoorah! And you and your battle buddies will get to see the Army's largest display of equipment, weapons, and other really cool stuff, all at the Washington Convention Center. Finally, we're all gonna get dressed up and go to a formal reception with all the big-time Army brass. Alright, so here's the deal. We only have a limited number of openings. If you're ready for the adventure of a lifetime, go to xmccamp.com today to get all the intel on the cadet staff ride offered by Extreme Military Challenge. That's xmccamp.com. Now drop and give me 20. Mega hoo-ah!